In this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to link Honkai Star Rail account. If you want to link your Honkai Star Rail account to your Google account or any other accounts, then here's how you can do it. First, launch open Honkai Star Rail application and make sure that you're logged in. Now from this main interface, tap on the mobile phone icon at the top left hand corner. Now you'll be able to see your profile. Tap on Account Settings. From the menu displayed, tap the Go button right next to User Center. Now, you'll be able to see the link account option. Simply tap the link and then enter the email address you'd want to link with Honkai Star Rail. Now you'll need to enter the verification code, so tap the send button and wait for the verification code to be received on your email address you're trying to link. Open up the email inbox that you're trying to link with and locate the security code and type it in the verification text box. After you are done entering the verification code, create a password on the next field. Confirm the password again by retyping it and then tap the little square box at the bottom to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Finally, tap the link button. Once you are done, you'll be able to see the registration complete level. And there you have successfully linked Honkai Star Rail account with a new email. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with another tutorial video soon. Thank you for watching.